The Rauners are really wonderful people. They've been involved for 50 years with this organization, and I wish that Reverend Asher Hirsch could be here today. He was the individual that introduced Wolfie and Rose to Shaare Zedek, and he would have taken great pride and joy in knowing that all these years his hard work came forward with the wonderful activities of the Rauners.
Shaare Zedek, as far as I knew in my early youth, was the Yekka charity. And we had a pushka in the house for Shaare Zedek. And my mother would put in a few pennies that she could spare every Friday afternoon into the tzedakah box for Shaare Zedek. So I grew up in that environment.
I remember our very first visit there quite a few years ago. I saw a young child, he was an Arab child, who came to the hospital on a donkey twice a week, and he was treated with the same exact courtesy and love and caring as were any of the other patients at the hospital. And that really made a very lasting impression on me.
I became a founder in gratitude to Hashem for turning my life around. They sent us a brochure with all of the dedication possibilities. And we went down, and when we hit this well baby nursery, our eyes lit up.
We were among the fortunate few who got out of Germany on time. We thought about it, and we decided that to show our gratitude, the best thing you can do is have lots and lots of healthy Jewish children. And how do you get lots and lots of healthy Jewish children? By providing a wonderful place for them to be born. And so the logical next step would be a nursery.
I don't think there is anything that brings the Rauners more pleasure and more pride in what they've accomplished than when they have friends and family members who visit the Rauner nursery and see the babies that are being born there. Now we're bringing more than 21,000 babies into the world each year, and that accomplishment really says a lot for what the Rauners themselves have done for the hospital.
The Rauners have achieved a lot of success in their life in many ways, but always, to me, I view them as achievers in humility. If one takes the time to read their biography, one is impressed by its content, and when you meet them, particularly impressed by their humility.
Wolfie and Rose exude the full embodiment of who we are, those who are connected to the Shaare Zedek world. They are passionate about the hospital, they are kind, they have always have a huge smile on their faces. They just really represent all that we are and all that we hope to accomplish for the people of Jerusalem and Israel.
They should continue for many more years with health and happiness. They should continue their good work on behalf of Shaare Zedek. They really, truly are our partners in healing, and they should continue to have tremendous nachas and joy from their beautiful family.
We would hope that by example we can somehow impress the importance of giving to others. You don't just do for yourself, you really have to share and do for others.
Tzedakah in general, it's part of being a Jew. Whether we have good fortune or not such good fortune, we have to share with a heart, like the hospital with a heart.